G'day guys, Calvin from the Cartoon Company. Every time I go out, there does seem to be a Lexus V8 involved, funnily enough. One thing, I don't go out that often, maybe. And two, I just see a lot of Lexus V8s. We'll come back one day and do a proper video on this truck. It's owned by a mate of mine. I've known him for a bloody long time. We used to ride motorbikes together as teenagers. And he happens to own a supercharged Hilux. So we'll have a very quick look at it, and I'll come back one day and have a proper chat with him. If you've got some questions you want to ask him, drop them in the comments, and we'll answer them when we come back and do a proper video on this truck. So it's a LN 106. Big wheels, radiators on the back. There happens to be a few spare parts in the shed, and there does happen to be a slightly larger supercharger. So plans are afoot, and he does happen to have a spare, because that's not uncommon around here as well. And that one had the small injectors in it. And that might be the early model motor. I am using a oil container to stand on. So this one is in fact the later model skinny motor, which is not recommended. It does lots of things that aren't recommended. It is running on a standard computer, but it's got a set of my bigger injectors, a 250 over the 215. There's a water pump down there. Oh, there we go. Radiator's tucked on the back. And he uses it for weekends skidding out in the bush, making it muddy and filthy. Carpet's optional because it's going to get muddy and dirty and shitty. Just a couple of basic gauges. Radiator hanging out on the back of the deck. Also happens to have one of these bloody things. Oh man. And this is his latest toy. There's another rotary powered beast, a little Datsun, hanging out in the backyard. If you've worked out, that is not a standard Hilux axle. So if you got any questions, drop them in the comments, and in the next couple of months we'll pop back and see Brendan and have a bit of a chat with him about his Hilux. Catch you later. Do you normally have sparks jumping out from under your car? Yeah, that'll be the sparks.